Hi, Eric here, Land Home Financial Services. Thank you so much for trusting me with your mortgage financing needs. My role is to help guide you through the complex process of buying a home. If you follow these steps, these tips on this video, it'll help ensure that you have a smooth experience, a wonderful home buying experience, that you close on time, and that we eliminate stress and avoid any pitfalls that can change your approval. So tip number one, do not change your employment. Do not quit a job. Do not change employers. Do not change from salary to commission. Do not change from 40 hours to 38 hours. All of those changes can affect your approval. If something does come up, please reach out to me. Talk to me before you make those changes so you can understand the implications that they have on your loan approval. Do not make any large purchases. This would be a car, RV, boat, ATV, furniture for the house, etc. Any large purchase can affect your loan approval. We're flagged as soon as those come through, those new accounts come through. We have to account for any new debt that's opened. That new car loan payment, that new RV payment can affect your debt-income ratio and affect your loan approval. So do not make any large purchases during the mortgage transaction. Do not apply for or open any new credit lines, credit cards, personal loans. Even just applying can create an inquiry, and that can affect your approval. So please do not open any new accounts during the mortgage process. Do not co-sign on a loan. Co-signing on a loan is the same effect as opening a loan in your own name. That can affect your debt-to-income ratio, can affect your approval. So do not co-sign on any loans. Do not make any large deposits into your bank account. Large deposits are flagged, and we have to paper trail and source where those deposits came from. So let's say you deposited $5,000 that you had in cash in your safe at home. That deposit can be problematic. So do not make any large deposits. Normal paycheck deposits are perfectly fine. It would just be deposits above and beyond a normal paycheck deposit. Do not change bank accounts. Changing bank accounts can be problematic as well. We have to paper trail everything, including the closure of one bank account, the opening of another bank account. So just save yourself some trouble and paperwork. Do not open up any new bank accounts during the mortgage transaction. Do not delay in getting homeowners insurance quotes. The homeowners insurance agent, the company, and the cost for the insurance is an important part of the mortgage itself, and the mortgage approval can be impacted if you don't get quotes early in the process. So get those insurance quotes going, and that'll ensure that things will stay on track. So another tip would be to, and this may seem like common sense, but not to spend any money that you've set aside for closing before closing. Don't spend it before closing, obviously, right? I take it one step further and advise you to save as much money as possible before closing in case of any unexpected expenses that arise before you've even closed on the house. Another tip, please let us know if you or a co-borrower, or someone else on the loan, will not be in person for the closing. We can set up arrangements, whether it be a mobile notary or a courtesy closing at another title company, or maybe a power of attorney. But please let us know if your plans change and if somebody will not be in person at the closing. And lastly, do not delay in getting documents that have been requested by either myself or your real estate agent back to us in a timely manner. We're asking for those documents for a reason. Usually time is of the essence, and the sooner you can get things back to us, the better, to keep things running smoothly and to ensure an on-time closing. All right, let's recap that list we just went over. Do not change employment. Do not make large purchases. Do not apply or open credit cards or other loans. Do not co-sign on a loan. Do not make any large deposits. Do not change bank accounts or close bank accounts. Do not delay in getting insurance quotes. Do not spend closing money before closing, and save as much money as possible before closing. Let us know if someone on the loan will not be at closing in person. And do not delay in returning documents to us or getting requested items back to us. I hope this video has been helpful to you to ensure that your loan stays on track, to understand that things that change with your information can impact the mortgage. If there's ever a question whatsoever, just reach out and call me so we can discuss it. Thanks.